Hello and welcome to my video, Miniature Fine Detail Brush Set with Ergonomic Paintbrush Handles. This set of professional 15 miniature fine detail brushes by Nicpro was a gift from my great friend Larry. I'm giving him a shout out, so thank you Larry for the fine detail brushes, which I will be using for my face painting makeup tutorial videos. So check out my face painting makeup tutorials on this channel. Now I have not opened the brushes. This is how they are packaged. So let's get started with unpackaging the professional fine detail brushes by Nicpro. They do come wrapped in some cellophane, so let me open this up. They come in a plastic case container which screws apart, and you can store the brushes in when you carry them to face painting gigs, makeup gigs, or to art classes. Screws off here. I'm just going to take this off. And they come in a dust bag to carry the brushes in for extra protection. Little handles. Let's open this up. It comes with a booklet, Nicpro Fine Detailed Art Brushes. There's 15. On the inside of this booklet, it talks about the anatomy of the brushes, the categories and the sizes, and how to clean your professional fine detail brushes. I placed the fine detail brushes in their categories. Of course, there are 4 categories, starting with the round, the linear, the flats, and the spots. And I put them in order of their size. So with the round, you have a 4-0, a 3-0, a 2-0, a 0, and a 1. In the linear, you have a 4-0, a 3-0, a 2-0, a 1, and a 0. In the flat, you have a 2-0, 0, and a 1. And then in the spot, you have a 0 and a 1 size brush. So in the round category of brushes, from 1, 0, 2-0, 3-0, 4-0, that is the size of the brushes. But before I talk about the use of the brush, let's talk about the anatomy of the brush. First of all, we have the bristles, which are made of synthetic hairs that do not shed and are high quality synthetic. Then you have the little metal part, which is called the ferrule. It is a high-quality aluminum anti-rust. Next, you have the crimp, which is a little bit of an edging here, which indentation, and it's durable crimp. It's anti-shedding. No more frustration with those loose ferrules or stray hairs. Next, you have the grip. It's an ergonomic triangular handles. It's super comfortable, and you can paint longer without discomfort. Also, it does not roll on the table, so when you lay down your paintbrush, it doesn't roll. So let me just give you a close-up of this. You have the synthetic hair bristles moving down to the aluminum anti-rust ferrule. Then the crimp, where the brush bristles are held in there very tightly and they do not shed and come out. Then you have the ergonomic grip, which is easy to hold and it does not slip out of your hands. Then you have the handle, which is 7 layers of painted birch wood. The shapes of the brush are called round, and the use of this category is filling in small areas, outlining, sketching, creating thick or thin lines, spotting, and retouching. These are the bristles of the round paintbrush. Again, the ergonomic grip and the birch wood handles. And the next category is linear or rigger brush. These are used for fine, controlled details and longer strokes with consistent width, such as boat mast, grass, animal fur, tree branches, or flower stems. This is the bristles of the Zero linear paintbrush. You can see the ergonomic grip and the birch wood handle. The next category is the flat brush. This brush is used for applying a base coat, filling in wider areas, strips or fine lines, bold strokes, smooth blending, and dry washing. This is the bristles of the flat paintbrush. You can see the ergonomic grip and the handle. And the last brush category is spot. The spot is used for fine details and lines, delicate areas, spotting, and retouching. This is the bristles of the spot paintbrush. You can see the ergonomic grip and the birch wood handle. These artesian brushes are individually handmade by highly experienced brush specialists. Okay, this is the round category, and you can see the very fine detail of the bristles. They are again made of high quality synthetic hairs that do not shed or come out of the ferrule. Let's take a look at the linear bristles. Let's take a look at the flat bristles, which are 3 paintbrushes. And then let's take a look at the spot bristles, which are 2. These fine detail brushes are great for lots of detail work, great for face painting gigs, makeup gigs, fine lines when you're doing makeup tutorials. It's good for watercolor, oil, acrylic, craft models, paint by numbers, professional nail art, figurine painting, miniature model painting, craft, and hobbies. Perfect for all sorts of detailing. Again, these handles are designed with a special ergonomic triangular handle for extra comfort. Easy to hold, and they will not roll off the table. You can paint for longer periods of time with more comfort. The handles again are made of 7 layers of painted birch wood, and the cost for this professional Nicpro brush set runs around $25. Thank you for watching my video on miniature fine detail brush set with ergonomic paintbrush handles. I do hope this video was helpful in helping you choose to purchase a fine detail brush set. Please check out my makeup tutorial, subscribe to my channel, and again, thanks for watching.